that John Montgomery when you need him, huh? Fiat X. Oh, he said it come awfully easy. He said, book don't tell her how to do it. How am I supposed to do it with a book like this, huh? The book don't show it like this. Oh, for crying out loud. Mamma mia, I never, oh, for, that's it. I'm gonna find me another tool. I'm gonna get me a bigger tool, that's what I, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. I'll eat you one more time, huh? There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, there we go. I think it's about to come in. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh. Hey, Vicky, due caffè, eh? Due caffè, per favore. Sono Tony Haney, huh? Who else? Franco and Nuccio, huh? And get Gianfranco. Gianfranco. Get it in here and move your toys out of the way if I'm supposed to work on this car, huh? You're supposed to be in there helping me, huh? I'm crying out loud. Man, I can't get nothing done around here. Oh, yeah. All right. Mamma mia, it's a very tight under this car. Maybe I need to lose a little weight, huh? Of course, it might have helped if I had some jacks underneath this car, huh? Oh, my. Franco, hand me those spanners.